Hi there. So this is the screencast for my digital artifact that goes along with the lesson plan. So I've chose the plan Strategic Searching, and this is for grades 6 through 8. So my digital artifact is a sandwich cookie search race. So this artifact corresponds with standards SL1C, which requires that the student compose and respond to specific questions with elaboration and detail by making comments that contribute to text, topic, or issues under directions. So within the lesson, there's some objectives that incorporate understanding the importance of using the variety of search strategies, mastering new strategies for effective and efficient online searches, and learning to create and execute a 5-step plan for conducting an online search. So this digital artifact and the task at hand corresponds with the 5-step plan included in the lesson. So the students are going to be tasked with selecting a topic, extracting keywords, applying the strategies, running the search, and charting the results. So the worksheet goes ahead and already selects the topic for the students so that they can actually race. You're instructing them on extracting keywords, they're applying the strategies, running the search, and the worksheet will stand to chart the results. So here is how to do the worksheet. Alright, so you're going to introduce the sandwich cookie search race after you teach the lesson, and you're going to explain that the students are tasked with searching for information about Oreos. That information includes who invented them, in what year, the first 3 ingredients, and the process of creation. And you can go ahead and prompt your students to go ahead and go to Google. But before you start the search race, you'll want to go ahead and talk them through the key terms. And this is going to come from the lesson. So essentially, you're going to instruct them that searching for things like the word ingredients or the word Oreos will help them to refine their search. So, for example, continuing with the questions here, whenever you go to Google and search ingredients for Oreos, it's going to come up with a lot of things here. And although Wikipedia is sometimes considered a source that students should be cautious about using, we're going to go ahead and browse just for information here. So you can say list 2 sources. So Wikipedia and why or why not you would use these. And there's a nutrition UND EDU, which is going to be a source that students are going to want to use for this. So we can just go ahead and put over here, like Wikipedia, etc., and then nutrition.und.edu. And the students are going to be provided with the information that, certain sources are more authentic than others, are more continuously reliable than others. And so, after you introduce the key terms and the students start the searches, you can go ahead and time them to see who can race. That's going to be the interactive, fun version of this tool that'll really make the lesson stick in the head of the students. So, they're going to have to answer these questions. When were Oreos invented and who invented them? List the first 3 ingredients. And then the students are going to be tasked with going to YouTube and searching for how it's made Oreos. And then they're going to shortly summarize the process of creating Oreos. And so after you finish this activity, you'll just kind of want to discuss with the students why valuable search strategies are important and how this activity kind of exemplified those search strategies. Thanks. Have a good day.